Welcome back to another video. I hope you had a good time. This video is regarding Bitbns. There's a feature called nominee and how to add nominee. I will tell you this video. Anyone holding an account with Bitbns can now nominate someone close to transfer access of their Bitbns account to the nominee. In case of their account holder ultimately demise or something happened to him or her, this is a crucial one because one can never be sure of the unforeseen circumstances, and in that case their crypto fund could be locked away forever. So they have a backup plan. It's a very good feature to how you can use. So click on your or tap on your profile section. You will found left side bank account /nominee. You have to click on that option. After that, you have to provide all the details of nominee full name, nominee current address, then PAN number, relationship number and phone number, and submit. And one more thing you have to know, to add nominee you need at least 200 BNS tokens, because as a security they will take as a stake. So you have must 200 BNS token to complete the nominee process. So type in search, I type BNS token. Here is display showing. So you have to purchase this coin, whatever we call token. If you already have, then no need to purchase. They will take as a stake. Okay. It's a simple thing. No need to worry. They will save. And just see how you can purchase here. Simply type how much amount you want, and suppose you need 200 volumes. Simple, and buy. Then see again, come to profile, left hand side, nominee. So then you have a 200 tokens. Then go to nominee section and add nominee.